I guess we have a river, huh? Holy cow!
Yeah.
Check it out. Welcome to Max 411. Big blazer going for a river run. Hi. Can you go over the bridge? Or is it too slippery?
I'll try.
Make a U-turn or something, yeah. I mean, you gotta make it like that. Back up. There you go. You got in low gear? Down in low gear. Down. I think. Yeah. Oh no, maybe not. Up is low gear, huh? There you go. Over the bridge we go. Nice. Well, it's raining here at RC Madness, and a lot of the guys have wrapped it up. We're hanging out, we're playing in the mud, the river. Yeah. Kids are having a blast. See a girl up there in their comp rig. And a blue one. Nice. We're going downstream. Looks like you're dragging some woods. Alright. Ain't gonna go up that way. It ain't gonna go up that. Not like that. Oh, we're swimming. Roll it over, kid. Grab the side of it. There you go.
I have one. I have the big propane tank. Yeah.
Got the tow hook. There you go. Gotta have the tow hook.
You can start going whenever you want.
Push the switch all the way forward. You're in open diff. Top switch all the way forward. There you go. Alright, you'll be able to crawl through here a lot better. Nice.
Remember you do the orange balls.
Got it.